My name is Kelly DeWispelair. I'm the Finance Director for ADAC Automotive. We implemented Vena during our budget process. So we didn't have a whole lot of time to implement the software, do the training, train a lot of people. We kind of trained all of the budget users on the fly as we implemented the software and completed our budget at the same time. With the Vena product, we've been able to cut already a month and a half out of our budget process, and we probably will cut another month out this year when we do our budget this fall. And using the Vena software has allowed us to do more with better, accurate, faster information to actually impact how well the company does. From a personal standpoint, using the Vena product to create the budget has allowed me to actually get sleep during that time period when we are creating the budgets.